trader. Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. Gonna make it really quick, 5 minutes and under. I'll strive for that at least. Today's Friday, so TGIF. Thank you so much for stopping by and tuning in. Do me a solid, comment in the comment section, and thumbs up if you learned or enjoyed anything about this video. So closed at 125.14. This is the IWM. We're gonna save the SPY for another day. If you are curious as to what I think about the S&P 500, you can just listen to the video that I did yesterday, which was April 30th. Anyway, closed at 125.14. Today we had a low of around 123.29. We pulled back to the tune of north of 4% today. So just to recap, folks, I want to say last week we put on a long trade in the IWM. We bought around support, which is around 117 to 120, with a high of 136.85. 2 days ago, I said, you know what, the IWM is up north of 20% in 2 short weeks. Let's book the profits and let's wait on a pullback to get back in. And so the last 2 days, we've had a pullback, 4% today, about another 4% yesterday, a little shy. So close to 8% in 2 trading days. We should have shorted it. I'm not sure why we didn't. I guess I know why. Maybe I'll talk about that in another video. Anyway, so as long as it can stay, this red line here, 120, as long as it can stay above 120, I am still going to be inclined to be on the quote-unquote bullish side. And the gap here in the 140s, there's a good chance that it's going to be filled. If it breaks this, then look out. So it wasn't the best Friday. The markets are off. Let's see if we have a continuation into trading on Monday. I'd pay attention to today's low of 123.29. If we open up below that, look out. Things might get a bit nasty. What else? All right, VSTM, a fan favorite or a stock that I traded many times a few years ago. So sitting here at 175, it's very interesting because at one point, if we go back, you can see this stock traded as high as, I want to say, $10. And I thought at one point you could see $12. Did not happen. We find ourselves here at 175. It's off about north of 8% on the day. I don't know what's going on in after hours. And there's varying levels of support. We can say there's support around here, around that 175 area. The next level will be somewhere around here, which is that 145, 150 area. If you're looking to play this on the long side, I'll keep it real simple. I'd wait until it gets to like the low ones. And if the market pulls back, you're going to get that opportunity. I would wait for it to get to the close to 1, maybe 90 something cents, and I'd go long. I'm pretty sure you'll get that bounce. Why? If you go back to it, minimum May of 2019, you've gotten that bounce every time it got to that support level, which is in the low ones. All right. So I know it might be tempting to chase up here. You can possibly. That's your choice. But for me, to put things in my favor 100%, I'd wait until it gets to the low ones or at least the high 90s. What else? All right, so let's wrap it up and round it out with ticker MDGS. Is up about 52% on the day, so huge congrats to the bulls. It's down slightly in after hours. I can see it's down. Let me look at my notes. It's down about 3.66%. I see a quote of 342, so that's somewhere around here. In my opinion, right on support. So stock gapped up clearly from a close yesterday of around what was the close? 234. We went as high as, let's see, we went as high as 514. And clearly we pulled back. I'm assuming a lot of profit takers. And the stock never got like a second footing after that initial gap up. I mean, it's just essentially selling. You have some sideways action towards the last 3 hours of trading. But sitting here crucially, in my opinion, around one level of support in after hours. If that breaks, I definitely pay attention to that low that was saved twice today, right? You can see it here. Stock went as low as 315, you got the bounce. Stock went as low as 318, you got the bounce. So if that 342 level does not hold heading into Monday pre-market and open session, and you find yourself, or you find yourself if you're long, if you find yourself or the stock drifting towards that 318, 315 area and it does not hold, I think things can get ugly relatively quickly from there. So caution here if you're long. Let's cap it there. Tina here. Hopefully I'm under 5 minutes. Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of that really short 5-minute video, do 3 things for me. 1, comment in the comment section. Thumbs up again. It helps to get the this video out to other traders just like yourself. If you're in ticker MGS, let me know why are you in it? Like, what made you go long, and why is it up 52% on the day? Let me know. 2, I do videos every single day, Monday through Friday. Ensure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And lastly, third thing, right now what we're doing on our website is hosting a free 14-day trading course, essentially detailing a lot of the things I've learned trading the stock market for the last 20 years, north of 20 years. So if that's something that you're interested in, no credit card. I give you the stuff that I've learned completely free. All I ask is for an email address, right? So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. I'll have a link for you. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support, TGIF. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll talk to you back here on Monday.